Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are launching the Rockstar games, if you get this error like the Rockstar Games launcher requires an update, minimum support Social Club SDK version 2.1.6.5. If you get this error, just you hit the close button to come to back from Rockstar Games. After that, I give some steps. You are one by one follow to this problem, fix it. Don't waste our time. Let's go over the steps. Solution 1. We can go to stop the background running Rockstar games. So we need task manager. You can go to click to open. If there is available or running Rockstar games related apps, just select and right click. Choose the end task. To close it, again go to select and right click and go to hit the end task or search the or type Rockstar games by using the search bar in task manager. Just right click to close it, then right click and choose the end task. Okay, after that we can come to back from task manager, then we can go to let's look at the next step. Then run as Rockstar Games admin. So we can go to the desktop shortcut with Rockstar Games, right click and choose the properties, click on it and choose the capability tab, click on it, and we should select the capability mode. Below we should select the run this program as administrator. If you did, then hit the apply and OK to save. After that close it, then we can go to try next solution. The next solution, update the Rockstar games with Rockstar Social Lab. So we can go to open, we need browser, web browser, then search the or type Rockstar games. Just click to open this website. Here available that download button. Just then scroll down, or we can go to click on the get launcher and download Rockstar games. Here available, just click the download for Windows, click to download the Rockstar games launcher. After that we can come to back from Rockstar website. Then after that double to open to update the Rockstar games launcher. If you did, then relaunch the game or relaunch the Rockstar games launcher, then your problem solved. Also if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you, and don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.